Today we're going to talk about how to make money with digital marketing in 2025, even if you're broke or non-techie. Well, first of all, I am proof that this can be done. I started this online journey on a fixed income of $700 a month with absolutely no experience and no clue what digital marketing even meant. If you are sitting there thinking that this is only for the young folks with fancy setups and big followings, hold on, friend, because you're about to find out how wrong that idea really is. You do not need thousands in the bank to get started with this. When I got started, we had bills piling up higher than my porch wood pile. All I had was that little monthly check and a little hope. But this program, I had an option where I could split up the costs. No monthly fees and no sneaky upsells. Very important to me. I owned the product outright and I could start earning immediately. Some folks are earning anywhere from $200 to $2,000 a week. That could cover groceries or meds or even a weekend getaway with your grandbabies. I am not there yet, but I will be there soon. Now, if you've been praying for a way that doesn't require you to go back to work full time or to sell your soul to a job that you hate, this just might be your answer. Oh, and if you're like me and you actually learn better by seeing how things work, check out the info in my Freedom Blueprint linked below. It walks you through every step of this program and how it works. And quite honestly, I wish I'd had it sooner to look on. So click that link and you can be viewing it in minutes. I did not grow up with computers. I'm in my 60s. I grew up with cast iron and canning jars. But this program did not expect or require me to be a tech wizard. It walked me through everything, click by click. You don't have to build a website or even know code. If you can watch a video and follow along, you're already steps ahead of where I was when I got started. Just from learning and posting content, I earned my first $900 online. That moment right there, it was like God whispering to me, see, I told you it was possible. If I can go from what's a funnel to look at me go, then I promise you, you can too. And y'all, I didn't have followers. I barely had a Facebook and certainly did not go on to TikTok until I found out about this online program. What makes this system work is not about having a big audience. It's knowing what to share and where to share it. The training teaches you how to use TikTok, Facebook, and even email the correct way. And that's without ever sounding salesy or spammy. People are making thousands with just a few hundred followers because their message speaks to the people who need it most, like us. You don't need to be TikTok famous. You just need to be real. And real sells more than perfect ever will. I mean, look at me. I am far from perfect. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this makes sense, but how does it all fit together? Just grab my Freedom Blueprint linked below. It's the exact guide that I followed step by step when I got started. And just pop in your email and you can be watching it within a few minutes. What I loved is I did not have to do it alone, and neither will you. I joined a private group where there were people just like me, older, retired, and struggling, and they were learning and earning together. We ask questions, we get answers fast, and we celebrate each other's wins, whether they're big or small. One woman in our group recently was able to make her mortgage payment with just one sale. Can you imagine how life-changing that is? I've experienced it, and it truly is life-changing. You don't have to be fearless. I certainly wasn't, but you got to be willing to take that first shaky step. But the good thing is we'll walk with you from there. Now, here's what most people just don't realize. This particular program gives you not just one, but 4 ways to earn from the get-go. 4 streams of income. You get 100% profit on a product that you own, and you'll learn many other ways to earn online income, including affiliate commissions from the tools that we use. You'll have the ability to teach others once you've learned it, and even the option to create your own digital products down the line if you so choose, and the training to do that. Y'all, that's not just income, that's peace of mind, which was so important to me because when you are struggling a financial stress that you see no way out of, there is no peace of mind. But when you've got income coming in and you know all the ways to do it, to create that income, there's peace of mind. Now, you do not need to figure out all those ways today. You just concentrate on one and work your way up. If you do that, the rest will follow. If you're broke, you're non-techie, and you're feeling stuck, I see you because that was me. But now I sit here in this little holler of mine full of hope with a business that actually works. So let me just ask you this. What would one sale a day do for you in your life right where you are right now? Just comment below and tell me. I would love to hear your heart and maybe even be able to help you get started. And once again, if you're curious about the program that I use to get started, hit that Freedom Blueprint link below, pop in your email, and you'll get that info within minutes. Now that you know how to make money online with digital marketing, even if you're broke or non-techy, watch this next video and it tells you how I didn't believe online income was real, but I showed up anyway.